Hello and welcome to Calgary Music Tutor. I'm going to be talking about page 18 and 19 of Bastien Piano Basics Level 1. And we're looking at accompaniment in F. Okay, accompaniment in F. So what does accompaniment in F look like? So we're going to be looking at the chord of F and F V7. So that is C. Will be the so that will be dominant 7 of C. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly press the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you can be notified when we drop tutorials and also other forms of content very soon. And also remember to also give us a thumbs up, or you can leave your comment in the comment section below. All right, so let's look at what this sounds like. So this is like a accompaniment with the left hand. I'm going to repeat it. Okay, so this is F major and then C dominant 7, F major, F major. All right, so we're going to be looking at this song here, melody and accompaniment. It's no particular song, but let's hear what it sounds like. Melody and accompaniment. Right? Here we go. We have I'm going to repeat that. Then the second line. Again. That's that. Okay, so we look at page 19. And in this page 19, we have the forms in music. Now, in music, what is a form? What do you have? What is called a form? So a form is an arrangement of notes and rhythm which form a pattern. So we arrange notes together and also the rhythm of the music, and will eventually come together to form patterns. So in this piece, Bravery at C, so we have the forms like this: same or similar pattern, line 1, 2, and 4. Line 1, 2, and 4 is the same. If you look here, they look the same. Okay, this is the only different line, and then the different line is line 2. So we can say A, B, A. So that's the kind of form we are talking about. Sometimes we have A, B, A. You know, in this case, we have A, B, A. All right? So let's hear what this song sounds like. All right, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.